Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're doing probably one of the most requested videos on my channel, workwear outfits to wear to work. When I was going to college, I knew that I was going to be working in like advertising, even though I was going to school for journalism. So my office wear, workwear might be a little bit more dressed down and casual. You could get away with jeans. Honestly, people would wear jeans with holes in them, stuff like that. But I'll try and step it up a little bit. I'm gonna keep it pretty summery because I feel like winter office wear is a little bit easier, you know, like a sweater, stuff like that. So we're gonna do like early fall, end of summer outfit inspo for work. Thank you so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love Thrive. I've been kind of ordering like crazy from there because their diapers are so good. We'll talk about that a little later. Let's just get into it. It should be fun. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover too because I'm kind of tired today. So I'll talk later. Get dressed now. Okay, here we are, starting strong. I wanted to do something a bit different. I have this Zara blouse that you're going to be seeing a lot. I feel like this empire waist tiered kind of blouse is so good for workwear, not just wearing a button down. I paired it with these Madewell plaid jeans, but they look a bit more dressed up than just like a pair of denim, but also are a bit more casual than a trouser. And then I just paired a pair of black loafers with it. I toned it down a bit because this is something I would wear probably more realistically, even just day to day, but also I think if I had an office job, this is what I'd wear. And I realized that not everybody is going into an office, so we can do a bit more casual. I added a scrunchie to make it a little bit more youthful, big baggy jeans because that's what I like, and a thrifted pair of blue ballet flats. I put on sunglasses because I actually like this outfit so much and like I will wear it day to day. I wanted to do this video without buying like clothes that would be office appropriate or workwear appropriate. I'm just going with what I already have. So here, this is a strapless summer maxi dress. I tried it with the clogs, but I didn't like it. I wanted to pair it in a way that we can wear it to work. So I threw over a thin cashmere sweater and a pair of loafers. I understand that this isn't the most summer appropriate, but I do feel like if you're inside working, it tends to get a bit colder. I tried the tiered top, put it on inside out, put it on backwards, was getting frustrated to put it on the right way and think it looked ugly. I hated it. I think somebody could pull this off and that somebody isn't me, so thumbs down. No bueno. Okay, here is another kind of that style top, but a bit more fitted and structured. It's originally from the brand Cost, but I thrifted it. I also thrifted that Zara one. I paired this one with Izod, like little boys Catholic school pants, and then my Miu Miu dupes that are from Caitlin Pan. Then this little plaid dress, I put the white blouse under it to make it more appropriate and added my little clogs. You can obviously add tights or whatever you need. But I feel like you could get away with this. I added the white top on top and it looked like I was cosplaying as a maid. Hi everybody, it's Future Lainey. I wanted to come on and talk about Thrive Market and just how much I love them. You're gonna see here the box I got. I think this is my third box this month. I have been buying all of baby's food pouches and diapers, snacks, that kind of stuff off Thrive, and I have, you know, been before baby buying my kind of like shelf staples and necessities. So if you guys don't know what Thrive Market is, it's a membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone with guaranteed savings on every order. Seriously, if you guys haven't checked out their diapers and have a little one, I can't believe how many you get for the price. It's like nothing I've ever seen before, and they're actually good diapers. She doesn't pee through every single one. As a Thrive Market member, you'll save on every order of the highest quality, organic, and sustainable products. And if you find a lower price somewhere else, they will match it. So you pay $60 for an annual membership, and you're basically guaranteed to make your money back. And if you don't, Thrive Market will just credit you the difference. Orders over $49 ship free. It's as simple as that, no tipping or additional fees. You can also get a Thrive Cash, which is just cash back So look for products with the little Thrive cash badge at the bottom left-hand corner. Once you join, you can check out the deals section on the website or app for an extra savings. Your orders are shipped and delivered with carbon neutral shipping. Thrive Market is on a mission to be the world's first climate positive grocery store. Something I really love is the company's Thrive Gives initiative also makes it possible for low-income families, teachers, and veterans to access natural and organic food and product easily. Every paid annual membership, Thrive Market donates a free membership to someone in need. Use my link in the description box to join Thrive Market today and get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $60. I always say this, but if you haven't tried out Thrive Market yet and you buy groceries, literally, you're gonna get 30% off your order of groceries you'd already be buying, so I can't recommend at least trying it out enough. Thank you again to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of my outfits. You guys, do I just suck at voiceovers? I don't know if these are for me. Okay, then I took the Zara top and put it over, and I thought this was so cute. Just more ways to wear a dress you already have. I paired it with the little loafers instead of the clogs. I don't know why. I did a puff headband, and then I like mixing plaids, so I added this gingham headband, but then I thought it just looks, I don't know, I guess goofy. So there's that. I like all the muted colors though, just like dark colors all together. I think that's good and appropriate. I did it without anything, just the dress on its own. Added socks, tights, and loafers, and then I guess I'm dressing for fall now because I put the sweater on top. I mean, it's stinking cute, like, and it works and it's appropriate. I know the skirt might seem short, but it's really not short. So we've got this long sleeve, just black dress, and then I did my socks and little ballet flats. I thought this was pretty fun. Again, the dress might be too short, but you know what you have. You know, like, get inspo from this. I'm not buying a whole new wardrobe, I'm sorry. I added my Moschino big belt because this is something I would wear in real life, and in real life I would make the dress what it's supposed to be off the shoulder, and it's so stinking cute. I know you're not doing that at work, but I had to show you guys. I love jumpsuits for work. I think they're so comfy and casual, but like put together, you're well dressed. I don't know, this one's from Everlane recently, and then I just paired it with my little blue ballet flats because I like a really baggy outfit with ballet flats. All I listen to is Taylor Swift. I don't know if you guys knew this, but yeah. She's dancing, she's having a good time. Like, come on, girl, stop. Get the outfits together. Okay, I wanted to show basic, just like jeans and a white t-shirt, but how you'd wear it to work. This t-shirt is a little bit more sophisticated. It's got like a ruching ruffle detail. I don't know, I thrifted it. We've got my dark wash Uniqlo jeans. I think these are very office appropriate. I paired them with like a stiletto heel because that's how I'd want to wear them. But if I was going into the office, I would do a lower, like, chunky heel. These ones are also from Caitlin Pan, and I feel like they are so perfect for work. They're so comfortable. But in real life, because even though I like the stiletto heels, like, I just wouldn't wear that. I would pair little ballet flats. It makes the outfit look a lot more youthful, but I like looking youthful, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Those are all my outfits. I can do another winter or fall lookbook for you guys. This is me looking in my closet, and I literally have nothing else. I have tank tops and booty shorts. Remember to check out Thrive Market. Use my link in the description box to get 30% off your Thrive Market order and up to $60 free gift. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Bye.